So we are doing a 3D printing summer camp, and we are learning how to create art on the 3D printers. We are teaching them how they can design and then take those designs and send them to the 3D printer. They're learning how to create in a 3D work plane.
You can design anything you want. It's like building toys on your own. It melts it, and there's a lot of complex machinery on how inside the 3D printer. It's very fun and also very interesting.
I think it's really cool that you can like create things that's like a model of it. Like you can literally create anything.
The hope is that the students leave our camp with an excitement for 3D printing and for creating art, and we hope that they take that excitement back to their schools and share it with their teachers and their classmates.